Hello guys, andito kami sa Roche Rounded Mountain. This is the first stop place entering Jasper National Park. Itong Roche Rounded Mountain, it is a 2,138 mountain summit in Jasper National Park. And it is part of the Canadian Rockies of Alberta, Canada. It's an amazing place, guys. Ang ganda ng lugar. Sulit talaga yung bakasyon namin dito, guys. Just keep on watching, guys. Picture muna kami.